Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison. If you're new here, I am a junior at the University of North Texas, majoring in fashion merchandising. Today I'm going to be going to the coffee shop, getting a bunch of stuff done, getting everything organized. I was supposed to work today, but I'm actually off now, so I'm gonna make the most of it and get a lot of stuff done. My backpack came. If you watched my last vlog, I was crushed because my backpack did not come. But it actually was here when I got home from class yesterday. It's just like a basic black leather backpack from ASOS. It was originally $130, but I got it on sale for $50. So, a bargain. But it's super nice. It's a vintage black leather backpack by Peter Worth. And I like it. It's super cute, simple. It'll probably last me a really long time. So I'm gonna go to the coffee shop and get a bunch of stuff done. I'm finishing packing up my bag right now. I can't decide what I'm gonna get at the coffee shop because I love my coffee at home, but I have to buy something, you know? I don't know. I might get a chai. We'll see. I left my wallet at home and I'm so upset at myself because my wallet is in my purse and I have my backpack, and so I don't have my wallet, and I just went to the coffee shop and realized I don't have it, and I forgot my chapstick too, so I guess I'm going back. It's a good thing it's early, or else I'd be really mad at myself. It's only 10 minutes away, so we're just gonna accept it and not be mad, because I usually get mad at myself really easily. And yeah, that's what's going on now.
Tell me where to go, tell me where to go. Use my inner voice. Tell me where to go, tell me where to go.
So I just finished at the coffee shop. Everything is organized in my planner and everything, and I'm feeling so much better. I got a dirty chai and it was so good. Actually the best coffee drink I've ever gotten here, so I'm definitely getting that again. Now I'm gonna run some errands, and this old man is staring at me, so I'm very uncomfortable. Welcome to the South. So I'm home now from the coffee shop. After the coffee shop, I went to World Market, which I showed, and I got some new pillows, and I'm so excited. I found 2 of them on sale, and they were only $14.99 each, which is a bargain. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I always feel the need to completely redo everything in my apartment, because I get so used to my surroundings that I want to change them, and I don't know, I feel a fresh environment that's different can be a source of inspiration. So basically I got new pillows, and now I'm just trying to reason with you about why I got new pillows, but I'm also out of breath because I just carried that giant bag of pillows up 3 flights of stairs. So anyway, I'm going to rearrange the living room, and I have actually no reason why, but we're doing it. Okay, so I literally just redid my entire apartment, it feels like. I moved a lot of things around and I'm really liking how it looks. And I've always kind of wanted the mirror to be out here anyways when I take like outfit pictures and that kind of thing. So basically I'll back up. I used to have a coffee table right here, and basically what I did is I took it and I put it over here in the corner, and then I put my mirror on top of it. So I got one of those little fuzzy rugs and put that over it so it kind of covers a little. Put little pillows to kind of just like make it homey and like not too much. But I kind of really like how this looks. I'm also watching Bachelor in Paradise, so ignore that. And I used to have my printer over here, so basically it's just under here. Everything's still connected. I don't know. I don't really feel like my printer needs to be displayed anyway. And then I had I think they're called the Alex drawers. These white ones, they're from IKEA, and I used to have it over here where the mirror is, and I moved it over here as well. And I basically just have like a bunch of like important papers and like office type stuff over there. So I moved that, and then I have this cute little white tray from Target where I put like some plants and just kind of like some decor type things with the remotes. This plant was here before, but it's still there. And then a little basket of my cat toys. And then these are the new pillows that I got from World Market. I got this one from there as well as $25, which is honestly pretty good for a pillow, and their pillows are such better quality than Target, I've noticed, so I always just get them at World Market now. And then I got this pillow and this pillow from World Market as well, and these were on sale for like $14.99, which is really good. And then this pillow right here I had previously from World Market. It was in my room and I moved it out here. And Marlo is very confused because everything is different. I used to have this plant hung up in this corner, so I moved it across the room to kind of like balance everything out. So now both of these sides are like higher, if that makes sense. And so they kind of like even each other out. So I have it hanging from the ceiling, and then I moved just some couple things around for the table. It looks pretty similar, but the coasters are over here now. A different plant that's a little bit shorter. And my Himalayan salt rock lamp I brought out here because honestly when I use it at night it's too bright anyway, so might as well just have it out here. Also I think it's just like stuff from when I was taking nails out of the walls. It'll come out. I have stain remover for that. But anyway, now I just need a coffee table. That's different than the other one. I didn't really like the other one as a coffee table anyway. I want something like glass and gold. I saw an oval one today on sale at World Market for like $200, so I'm considering that, but it'll go like right here. And yeah, really like how it looks. It looks different, but like still like homey, just a little bit homier, I guess, more open. And I just like to change up my space. I feel like it makes a huge difference and it keeps me inspired, that kind of thing. The lighting is very iffy. Yeah, so there's the final side of that, and then I'll show you the other side. Yeah, so I have the pillows down there, all of that. And then these up here are twinkle lights. I've had these for a while, but they look really nice at night. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. And then I used to have this tray on my coffee table, and I just moved it to here. It just has our Wi-Fi passcode, all of our like some more plants, and then I need to get a new candle to go right here. I like to have a candle in the kitchen. It makes a big difference, I feel like. The kitchen's kind of a mess right now. That's my next project to clean. And now for the room, I changed up the pillows. I used to have yellow pillows, but I put them away because I'm honestly tired of the yellow. I've had them like that for so long. The bed looks really wrinkly right now. I think it's because the cats were laying on it. But all of these pillows I've had. None of them are new. But this one's from World Market. The pink one is from Target. This one's from World Market as well. And then the little white cream one, I believe, is from Hobby Lobby. I got that around Christmas time. And then this blanket I've had, that is from Home Goods. Cats not included. They're being annoying, and they love this plant that I brought in from outside, but they're gonna have to learn to not love it. So this is all the same, this part, and then this little chest thing I got from my grandma. It's just like a wooden rattan or rattan. This plant I actually had on my patio, and I brought it inside because the heat is actually like not doing well with it. It's a plumeria, but like the leaves are not taking the heat well. It's like 110 degrees outside, so that's probably why. And then I'm getting out of breath. And then this chair I had in the living room previously, and I just brought it in here and put it in the corner with one of the pillows that I used to have on my couch. And I really like how it turned out. It just made like a cute little corner. So I'll probably like continue this gallery wall because I've always like kind of wanted to have a gallery wall up here because I have one above the door that I made. But I kind of want to like keep it going and continue doing it on this wall. Yeah, so I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I honestly just feel so accomplished now. Sometimes you just need to redecorate, you know? So I actually just finished up editing this video for you guys and realized that I did not end it off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun making it, and it was honestly really tiring redoing my entire apartment, but I feel so accomplished now. And I just love how you can change up things around you that you see on a daily basis and have like a new source of inspiration and just feel so much more refreshed. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and want to see more like home decor content from me, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.